Want to check and manage your login activities and active devices on TikTok using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to keeping your account secure. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Select the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down under the Account section and tap on Security and Permissions. Tap on your devices to review all the current and past devices logged into your account. Here you can see your current session and other devices you've logged on. Tap the trash icon next to any device you want to remove to secure your account. And that's how you manage your login activities on TikTok using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.